Now I'm going to explain series connection, right? So series connection is nothing but what? If I'm going to connect two resistances are in series, right? Then the total equivalent resistance is given by R1 plus R2. If I replace the resistances by inductances, then L equal to L1 plus L2. And if I replace the inductances with, resistances with capacitances, then 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, right? That is what the series connection I'm showing here. And then here the parallel connection. So if you clearly observe the parallel connection, the two resistances are connected in parallel. So the equivalent resistance is given by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, and L equivalent is given by L1 L2 by L1 plus L2, and C equivalent is given by C1 plus C2, right? Next, voltage division rule. It is applied for series circuits only. You have to remember one thing, that in a series circuit current is same. So it's same current of flow, same amount of current will be flowing in the entire resistances, right? So the voltage across this R1 is given as VR1 equal to total voltage is V, total voltage into the resistance in which we are going to calculate the voltage, that is VR into R1 by total resistance R1 plus R2. Similar in case of inductance also, but in case of capacitance the equation is going to be changing over here, that is VC1 equal to V into C2 by C1 plus C2, and VC2 equal to V into C1 by C1 plus C2, right? And next, current division rule. So it is applied in case of parallel circuits. So in a parallel circuit, the here the current is going to be dividing over here, and the voltage is same for each, and voltage is same in the particular circuit, right? So IR1 equal to total current is I into, so the R2 is the opposite resistance, which R2 opposite resistance to the resistance which we are going to calculate the current, by the total resistance R1 plus R2. Similarly, IR2 equal to I into R1 plus R1 by R1 plus R2. If I replace the resistance with inductance, the same equation will be following over here. IL1 equal to I into L2 by L1 plus L2. So this is what, yes, and IL2 equal to I into L1 by L1 plus L2. But in case of IC1, the equations are going to be changed. So IC1 equal to I into C1 by C1 plus C2, and IC2 equal to I into C2 by C1 plus C2. You have to remember 2 points over here. In a series circuit, current is same. And in a parallel circuit, voltage is same, right? Thank you.